the people all complain. Stephen prospered in his time, well it may and it may decline. Did it bad, it does it now. Stephen would answer if they only knew how.
Culture of all the backpacks at the top up there, that's fucking tight. You know it's fucking good when there's backpacks everywhere and beers, and you're at the skate park on snow. You're like, you know it's gonna be good.